So we are now on CapCut. So what we will do is we'll click on new project. We'll click on new project. So we are selecting our images. So which is our first image, our first video is this. So because I did it, suppose is going to be 15 in number. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is it. So add. So then we'll now add our cover. So photos, we'll now go over. Oh, the cover did not show here. So we'll now go over to our Whisk and re-download it. So let me check our downloads. It's here now. So let me just share it so that it will enter my gallery. Because at times it will just behave like that. You will download it to not enter the gallery. Let me just share it with one of my save. It has saved. So we'll now go over to my CapCut. So I'll click on this. So it should be there now. Yes, it's there. So we'll now click on it. We'll click on add. So now our cover image should be this. So I'll just select from album. So this is what we want as our cover image. This written by is not there again. Let's go and redo it. Let's go and redo it and probably choose another. Where is my Chrome? So now choose another one, is smaller. And let me just pause this. We are back to CapCut. So I will replace this image. So I will come down here, because I'm showing people how to navigate through this CapCut, because I might not really do a separate video on how to use CapCut. So I will come down here, and then I'll now scroll down and select replace. So I've seen the replace. So this is replace. This is it. So I'll click on it. I'll click on replace. I'll go to photos, then I'll select this one. So this is it. So I will now come to this cover, this place. I'll click on it. Then I'll now say select from album. Then I'll now come here and select this. This is what I want to use. Then I'll now click confirm. So save, you click on save. So now I will need to reduce this thing. So I'll click on the image itself that I want to. So I'll click on the image or the section I want, which is this one. So I'll click on it and then I'll select split because I want to reduce it. So I'll select split. I just want it to be 1 second. So I'll select the split, then delete the rest. If you, as you can see down, you will see delete. This is delete. So I'll click on delete. So now let me play the video. So I see now nothing is happening. It's just the video and everything. So now we're not going to add a voiceover. Remember, our voiceover is going to start from here. So we'll now add a voiceover. So here we'll select audio. From down this place, we'll select audio. So you click on audio, you go to sounds, you see sounds down. This is sound. You select sounds. It's loading, so let's wait. So we'll now go to this place, we'll click here. So when we click there, we'll click on device. This is device. We'll click on device. So we click on device. Then in this search bar, this is search bar. So we click on the search bar and we'll select. Remember, we used chapter 1, chapter 2 to we named it chapter 1, chapter 2. So we'll now write chapter. So this is our chapter 1. You listen to it to be sure. Okay, so let's.
It was a hot Tuesday afternoon.
So let me increase my volume. So anyone you put, you will now increase the volume to 1000. So I increase the volume to 1000.
It was a hot Tuesday afternoon in Lagos, the kind that makes you question every life decision, especially the one that brought you to Unilag's Madam Ngozi Female Hostel, room 108. In that room.
So have you seen it? So but we want it to actually as he's speaking, is showing the particular spot. So I will add this one, like I will duplicate this particular part, which is, or we can even use, not duplicating it, we can use the image itself. So I'll add the image. So I'm done creating the whole video. So now we're going to add a sound. So we'll start from, we'll come to sound. I already showed you people where sound is. This is it. So we'll click on it. So here I'm now looking for a music to use and accompany this one. I don't like it, so let this one do first. I think I will use this one. Then you can even, once when you're generating a story, you can also tell ChatGPT to give you sounds or musical instruments that can accompany your story. Understand? It's not always good to just leave it bare like that. It will not really be sweet. So let's use this one. So we start.
It was a hot Tuesday afternoon in Lagos, the kind that makes you question every life decision, especially the one that brought you.
So now, to make your video more professional, you need to cover the your tracks, that is the watermark, like the Meta AI. Now you need to cover it so that people will not know where you generated it, so that to make it professional, because it will look somehow when people view your videos. They will now be seeing Dreamface, Meta AI, Pixverse and all those things. So you need to cover your tracks. So now what we will do is, you can even use I think the free version of CapCut does not have it, but let me just show you how you can do it. Generally, you use text. Maybe you will now place add text, then you type, let's say my like now my brand name is Future Classroom. So now write Future Classroom. So we use something like this. Let's see, yes, this, it's okay. So we'll use this. So now drag it to reach the end. To cover our tracks, nobody will know where we generated the images from. So at the end, after that, we'll now come here and click on export. So come here and click on export. So click on it. Our video is exporting. So I think with this, you've now learned how you can use Meta AI to create a story. So, and then you will now go to AI Studio, generate your voiceover, give it style instruction, and then edit in CapCut. So, but before I'll give you people a free CapCut, I need to see your seriousness, because as I'm seeing, the turn up for the assignment is really very poor. So I need serious people so that I'll know what I'm doing. So thank you and God bless you. See you in our next class.